Guys, we're back at it again with another Beyblade Burst unboxing. This time we have the dual pack dranzer and draciel. Dranzer F and draciel S specifically. These are the Legends packs. Sure, all the stats and all that because I'm too lazy to go over the package right at the moment. Yeah, I'll just zoom in for you at least. Go. Now, these Beyblades don't come with launchers, I don't know why, but Hasbro decided to be a doozy, so... Anyways, I'm just gonna tear right into this packaging, going over, because I just want to get into this. Instructions? Won't need them. Now... This will be the last morning unboxing video, but I'm expecting a few things in the afternoon to be unboxing, so be on the lookout for that. There we go. There's the crash driver. Okay, I'm going to start off with draciel, because draciel's the best. I'm going to start off with the driver. This is press. It's a nice green press, greener than King Kerbeus's, I believe. So, I just think it looks nice, I'm not gonna lie. Up next is the central disc. I believe this disc isn't competitive anymore, but it used to be good for LID and stamina, I think, I don't know for certain. Also, the thing with the central disc is that it's slightly unbalanced because of the weight over on the side of the disc, so... Oh, excuse me. And then this is the draciel layer. And there's a QR code for you. You can scan it and add to your Beyblade Burst app. These actually feel like stickers. I'm not gonna lie. These like legitimately feel like stickers, not tattoos. So, anyways, this is draciel layer. It's really jagged, so you'd think it would be good for a tank. I plan to test this out later and record my findings. So, anyways, let's put this thing together. See how tight the darn thing is. Ooh, that's actually kind of tight. This Beyblade might actually be good. Maybe, I don't know yet. Okay, moving on. Dranzer. This is the Zeta driver. We see this on Surprise and Requiem, but it's a nice, lovely, watery blue. rather than the red we see on it. This is the Yell disc. Nice. Silver yellow, like all Hasbro discs. We see this on Acid Anubis, and I'm pretty sure it's actually unbalanced because of where everything is and where everything's placed. Don't know yet, test it out later. And then, once again, these really feel like stickers. If any Hasbro exec is watching this, which I highly doubt, these actually feel like stickers, not the tattoos. Oh, and that brings back so many memories. There's the QR code for anybody who wants to scan it into their Beyblade Burst app. If it'll focus. There you go. Alright, now let's put this thing together. Ooh. Don't know if I got a bad mold or something, but that's actually kind of tight. Yeah, I have to use a bit of force with that. Okay. Test launch is next. Let's hope this doesn't go like my Rocket War test launch. We'll start off with dranzer on stamina. So, 3, 2, 1, let it rip. This thing actually spins really nice. Okay, up next, we will go for the defense driver, and then the attack driver, and then we will launch draciel and do a bit of a test battle. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Up next is the attack driver. Now, with this Zeta, I've noticed it's actually a little tighter than the Surprise and Requiem Zeta. So I have to use a little force to get it to where I want it. Which I think is better, because that means the tips will stay locked in. 3, 2, 1, let it. There we go. Alright, up next is dranzer. And then I will do 3 test battles, one with each Zeta mode. Dranzer, 3, 2, 1, let it. Okay, I'm gonna redo that. That was an awful launch. And don't mind the sock. 3, 2, 1, let it. Basic defense type movement. Just basically taking the center. Okay, test battle. We will start off with the attack Zeta since that's what it's on. 3, 2, 1, let it. Are we doing that? 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. Yeah, dranzer's a tank. But it lost with stamina. I'm gonna redo that one. I think I'm knowing this launch with dranzer, but I'm not sure about draciel. So let's redo that. 3, 2, 1, let it. 3, 2, 1, let it. Yep, dranzer's attack type moves like a basic attack type. Oof. Oof. Maybe it's a different plastic, but I'm pretty sure last time I tested this, press had more stamina. Up next, we will do the stamina driver. I guess for type advantage purposes, I'll launch dranzer first. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Basic boring battle, nothing to be interested in, but I still want to see if one to fight. Sounds like a reboot kicked in. Maybe it's just the draciel layer. Maybe this is better for attack than anything. Okay. Next and final test battle, we will put it on the defense driver, and we will launch dranzer first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Unless that happens. There we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Okay, my launcher wasn't ready, so I'll redo that. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Once again, another basic, boring battle. Nothing to be interested in here for now. Like I said, I plan to test out the draciel layer, see what it's good for. And if it's top tier at all. Because if that thing's top tier, then I'm gonna use it. Anyways, that is the dual pack for draciel S and dranzer F. Thank you guys so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Hoping to get some things in the afternoon to be unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.